Yeah. There's a good amount of thunder with this.
Mind if I do a little Instagram?
Oh yeah, get out and do what you need to do. I might take a little panorama. Oh shit.
Whoops.
Dang it.
Oh, did you drop your...
Well, the water almost went all the way into the ditch. Almost. But I mean, there's definitely a ditch right here. It's hard to tell because the grass is so thick.
Did you turn the thing off?
I did, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, there's not going to be a whole lot of people on this road, I think. Let's get on the other side of this schoolhouse first. Make a right here, and then I wonder if it's Sunday, you could probably just pull in there. Somebody, is that a schoolhouse? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah, just pull in there. And then, yeah, go ahead. They're Amish. If they come yell at us, we'll just tell them what we're doing. It's interesting. This should be fine right here.
Still rolling.
It's interesting. It's
You
not...
want to stay here for a bit? Or?
Well, I think so. What do you think?
I think chill for a little while.
Yeah, I think so.
Because I mean that, like, at least when we were pulling up, the shelf back here looked sweet. Smelling farm air.
I'm gonna get a... I'm not seeing a ton of lightning with it, which makes me think it's not like building up or getting stronger or anything like that. It's definitely a lot of rain though. I'm gonna get out and get a pin of this. Pull up to the intersection here. Oh, that's pretty bad. All right, go ahead.
Hang on, we got cars trying to get around us, and we don't want to go.
All right, let them see.
I got another one behind me.
Yeah, there's nobody getting through this here, that's for sure. That is completely flooded. Are they going to attempt that? That doesn't look too bad.
Dude, look at that over there.
That field's completely filled up there. Look at this. There's a river right here. That's why. That's where this. That's all their. Jesus, I can't speak. That's where all of this water is coming from. There's a little stream right here. It's gonna hang out on this bridge.
Yeah, we don't have anyone behind us.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, get up there. I want to get some footage of this. I mean, that's like super close to the road here. A lot of stuff flowing in that. But it's dragging the tree branch along with it. Yeah. Or trying to, at least.
That's a major flooding going on here.
Well, a warning for a reason.
It's like completely blocked off with water. Oh, God, I didn't have the window open on that one. Dang, even back there, the driveway was flooding.
Look at all that water. And this all happened like within the last maybe half hour.
Oh, easily.
Easily.
Seriously, all that?
Everywhere. There's a stream right through that guy's place.
You have to let me know when we're getting close, because I can't really... Oh my God!
A trampoline! Holy smokes! That is crazy. How'd that get over there? Wow!
Oh, dude!
Oh, wow. Dude, that... Oh, slow down.
Yeah.
That completely uprooted that tree. And there's like a bridge there. Good Lord. Take it easy, dude. There's some more trees down there. I gotta report that. Good Lord.
There's something up there.
Yeah. Alright. The storm's barely moving, too.
Not yet. We will be, probably in an hour or two.
What's this guy doing?
I told you we're not.
Oh my God! Look at that!
Oh my... Oh, okay. I'll tell you later. We're all right. Just
it's
wait.
just blowing. Oh my God. Oh God, this is crazy. Alright, yeah, just take it nice and slow here. We're in the middle of the worst part of this storm. Yeah, just take it easy here.
Yeah.
Don't go up to those trees. I just want to hang out here.
Well, I got a car behind me.
Well, they can deal with it because this is not good.
I know.
They want to go around, they can go. If you want to. The rain bands are going every which direction. Alright, the wind's coming that way, so we could go forward here. I'm just worried about those trees, like something coming down on top of us.
The wind looks like it's died down.
Died down. Now it's going the other direction again. Alright, there's a branch on top of this dude's car.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try.
Is there water up there? Dude, looks like there's a lot.
I'm just trying to stay clear of the trees.
Dude, there's limbs. Oh, it's slow. No. Nope. No, we are not doing that.
Okay.
Nope. That's crazy. We are not going through that. Yeah, go. They're stopping there. They're gonna let you go through. That's a shelf. That's a shelf, all right. Finally saw something after all that flooding. I know. I can smell it too. You want me to keep on this road? We got a mile before the Just kind of leave it there for a second.
Hang on, we got a car coming.
Well, he sees we're turning, so look at that right there.
I'll stop once I get to the turn.
I mean, we're in like a clear spot right now, not a whole lot of rain.
These guys are probably doing the same thing.
He lives there.